Welcome back. Welcome back to 2019 XR football. I started to pass this one up. There's only 14 cards in the box, but there are so few new releases this month that I thought, what the hey, let's go ahead and get it and check it out. You never know. My luck with boxes lately has been just terrible. I mean terrible. So I think I'm due pretty soon. I hope. We'll see. I went on that crazy run where I was getting all those awesome autographs out of 2018 football, especially Donruss Optic. I was just, man, living it up. And then I have just tanked since then. Absolutely tanked. And then, I didn't even tell you guys, I bought a case of the 19 Chronicles blasters after getting those 2 good hits from those like 4 blasters, and it was awful. Matter of fact, I wanted to tell you this so I could really warn you. Out of 20 boxes, there was, I think, 8 hits, which you're gonna say good, right? But 6 of those were points, were Panini points. And even worse, like I tried to make the video and for some reason it just stopped recording at some point during the break. It was just like a weird, crazy disaster of a break. It was just trash. So anyways, the biggest point to take away from this story is how many Panini points cards I pulled out of that case. It was ridiculous. I couldn't believe it. I was in shock. After I pulled the first 1 or 2, I thought, okay, well, fine, whatever. This should be over now. But no. I mean, the points just kept on coming. It was something else. Alright. 2 autos, 1 mem, including 1 rookie jersey autograph. 7 cards per pack. 2 packs per box. There's all that. That's a lot to take in, but the gist is that there are lots of numbered cards and parallels possible. Got Andrew Luck on here, which is weird because now he's just gone. Let's see which one of these. This was a thinner pack. Let's see if this is a thicker one. Oh, they're actually both about the same. I think this one actually weighs more. Alright. Let's see who we got. These look good. I've always liked XR, the look of the cards. These are a little bit darker. I think last year's the background had color, or maybe it was only the parallels that had color. But anyways, there's Cam Newton base. Alshon Jeffrey base. A Derek Carr, yeah, there's the color. Derek Carr blue to 199. Good looking card. These look to be in pretty good shape too. Arcega Whiteside rookie red to 249. We have, and I've been getting lots of redemptions lately. TJ Hawkinson. Potential. What? Oh, exponential. This is a blue parallel to 99. And then a Justice Hill base rookie. This is Paris Campbell. Panini rookie triple swatch autograph. So that should be a nice card. Triple relic auto. Whenever I get my hands on it, of course. And that could take a while. But Paris Campbell is one of the better rookies of this class. Or looks to be. We'll see. Alright. Dalvin Cook base card. Actually, this one has a little bit of something wonky going on down there in the corner. Roethlisberger base. McCaffrey red. Josh Jacobs orange rookie to 99. That's a nice card. Expected him to have a bigger game than he did last week, though. He let me down in my fantasy lineups. There is a Bryce Love rookie orange auto to 25. I think that says, yep, 25. Easton Stick XL jersey to 49. Blue. Just a gorgeous card. It really is. Nice big jersey piece. Yeah. These look good. No doubt about that. And the last card is Chase Winovich. Base rookie. So, nothing crazy. The Paris Campbell should be nice, but again, I hate redemptions. I hate waiting. That Bryce Love to 25 looks really good. And happy to get this little Josh Jacobs rookie parallel. Just kind of an average box, but not bad. Justice Hill rookie. Hawkinson had a good game, but, you know, he's probably not ever going to be, I don't know. Who knows? He could be the next stud tight end. Who knows? Arcega Whiteside parallel. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not going to cry or complain. Could have been a lot worse. That's for sure. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again soon.